Alright guys, listen to this. Many businesses out there are practicing only email marketing, and trust me, they are leaving a lot of money on the table. But what if I told you with Brevo, you can launch powerful SMS and WhatsApp campaigns, and you can combine this with email marketing, all from one dashboard? So in this video, I will show you how to use Brevo SMS and WhatsApp marketing tool, how you can also create multi-channel campaigns, and as well we'll get to discuss why combining email, SMS and WhatsApp is a great gain for you in this current marketing time. So let's get into it. Alright, so once you are here inside Brevo, you need to come over to the campaigns tab, and right here you're going to be seeing an option for email, SMS and WhatsApp. All right, now, but most users keep the SMS and WhatsApp part, and I don't want to be that person. So now that you are here, proceed with giving your SMS campaign a name, just something similar to creating an email campaign. But the only difference here is that this is much more faster and very effective if you use it rightly. Now I'm going to go ahead and give my campaign a name, something this. All right, so now once you are here, you should proceed with adding your sender name first. Now, this is the name that would appear once we start sending our SMS to our recipients. So I'm going to go ahead and add my name to this. Now, once done, go ahead and click on save. Now to the next, we have to choose our recipient of this SMS campaign before going over to write our SMS message. Now you want to click here, all right, basically to select your recipient. And now for me, you can see I've got over 300 lists right here. 300 people with their contact address right here. Now we proceed with writing our message body, and remember, you want to make this short and straightforward. Why? Because you just want to make it a direct one. Now with Brevo, you can also personalize your SMS to look more decent. Now something like this is going to be much more better than you just having random SMS messages. So I can have my message like this, hey, and you can see I have the contact first name. All right, you sure you don't want to miss this? Click here right now. So once you add this particular this particular code free, okay, you can see brackets contact first name. This automatically gives the tool the command to add the first name of the recipient to this SMS when sending. So instead of you just going and trying to input their names all by yourself manually, you don't have to do that with Brevo. By inputting the simple code form, you are giving this tool the command to add their first name to the SMS that you're trying to send. So once done, you can proceed with saving up, and guys, you are done and ready to shoot your SMS. Very easy and very simple to carry out this right here on Brevo. And now I just get to wonder, why on earth are people still not making use of SMS marketing? Creating SMS campaign is much more easier, faster, and super effective when doing that on Brevo. Now let's go and try out for WhatsApp. Now for WhatsApp, we can proceed with the same process of giving this campaign a name, because everything basically needs a name for identification. Then from here, it works via WhatsApp Business API. So Brevo guides you step by step to link your business account. So once set up, okay, you can start sending your media messages on WhatsApp to your targeted audience, not just plain text. I would have loved to show you how this works, but unfortunately, okay, I don't use Facebook. I'm one of those guys that don't do Facebook at all. So Facebook is actually needed to link my WhatsApp account, but Brevo has you covered. If you have a Facebook account, and with this particular video from Brevo, you'll be able to link your Brevo, all right, connect it on your WhatsApp, and you can start sending WhatsApp messages. Very simple and very easy. All right, now let's go back to the next one, which is creating a multi-channel campaign. Now when I mean multi-channel campaign, it means that you are trying to put in together email, SMS and WhatsApp all together in your campaign processes. So probably you can do something like you send you send an email to a person, later words you can send an SMS, and of course you can also send a WhatsApp message. So you can see that is what we call a multi-channel campaign. Now you want to head over to automations, okay? Then from here you want to choose you want to create an automation from scratch. So from here, just go ahead and select your trigger from the various options provided by Brevo. So me, I'm just going to go ahead and choose a welcome message trigger, because I want to send something simple. A welcome message that would have email being sent, SMS being sent, and also a WhatsApp message being sent. And from here, I'll just go ahead with adding a timer delay, all right, which for me can just be 2 minutes. So immediately someone signs up for my newsletter, all right, the email is going to be sent to them, a welcome message is going to be sent to them, and from here I'll just go ahead and add, a timer delay, which for me can also just be 2 minutes. Now after sign up, when someone signs up for my newsletter, all right, the email is going to be sent, a custom message is going to be sent to them, okay, and from here as well I'm going to add in another timer delay. All right, this should be for also 2 minutes. All right, 2 minutes is also good. And now this is all looking good. So what we want to do now is to add in SMS. Okay, we want to add in SMS and also WhatsApp messages as the follow up for my recipient. So for me right now, I'm going to go ahead and type in my SMS message. Okay, you can do the same for WhatsApp messages too, but because I don't have my WhatsApp connected yet, I will not be able to do that for WhatsApp. But trust me, if you have a WhatsApp connected, it's still the same process and the same procedure. So you can see, guys, with this automation of linking SMS and WhatsApp to my email, they would get immediate notification on their lock screen, way more better, and they will likely get to open it and read whatever thing I have to say to them. Now let's talk about this. Why is it that SMS and WhatsApp and email combined together, they work? Now email has a great reach but low open rate from statistic, but for SMS and WhatsApp it is quite different. And from stats, SMS open rate is around 98% and WhatsApp read rate is also around 90%. Now combining these two things together into your email campaigns, trust me, you can create urgency, you can build trust and close more deals much more faster. So there you have it, guys. Brevo isn't just for emails alone. If you're not using it for its SMS and WhatsApp tools, you're probably missing out on so many easy conversions. If you found this video helpful, guys, trust me, there are more to come. So I want you to hit the button, subscribe right now, and check out my next video, which is also going to be helping you do so much better with email marketing tools. I'll see you in those videos. Please take care and bye. Ta-da!